In this video, I will show you how to delete Steam Cloud saves. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do first is open up the Steam app. The steps are the same if you do prefer to use the browser-based version of Steam, and once you've done that, first what you want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner, click onto Steam, and on this menu you want to come and click onto settings. Now first what we want to do once we've opened up our settings is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto cloud. From here you're going to see an option which says enable Steam Cloud. So this is going to enable Steam Cloud synchronization for applications which support it. What you want to do is first of all turn this option off, which means that any future saves on games will not be saved to the Steam Cloud. Once you've done that, close down the settings window and then click onto library to come across to your games library. Now what you want to do is find the game that you want to delete your Steam Cloud saves for. Let's take Terraria as an example. So what you want to do is right click onto the game in the games list on the left hand side, and on this menu that comes up you want to come and click onto properties. Once the properties window is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto installed files, and once you've done that you want to come up to the top and click the browse button up here. Now what it's going to do is open up the Steam files, and if you have been using cloud saves then you want to look for a folder called save, or it might be save.ini. It's generally going to be in the games launcher folder. So for Terraria, this is a new game that I've currently got no Steam cloud saves for, but if you do have it you want to just simply delete that folder. Now once you've deleted that, that's going to delete the Steam cloud saves for that game, and of course because you've turned off the option for cloud synchronization, any future game saves will not be saved to the Steam cloud. So that is how to delete Steam Cloud saves. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.